In today's video, we have a disabled homeless veteran that owes almost $10,000 in back child support. My heart goes out to this man because of his situation, but at the end of the day, he does have a child to support. Let's see what Judge Page has to say.
Now, gentlemen, once again, stay in your booth. Keep your head up, stay awake. Don't put your head down. This, like I said, this is not Helen's house of hair. We're not twisting our braids. We're not scratching our head. We're not digging in our pants. When you stand up, pull your pants up. I don't want to see your rear end or your nasty underwear. Keep your head up, stay awake. Everything tonight is a you problem, gentlemen. You're in jail. It's not your mother's problem, your grandmother's problem, your lawyer's problem, or anyone else's problem besides you.
All right, we'll take up file 2011-50481, Elizabeth Bordeaux and Brody Summer. Both are here via Zoom. This is the date and time set for hearing in this matter to address bench warrant. Mr. Summer was arrested, it looks like. Folks, I'm the referee of the court assigned to handle these matters. At the conclusion of this hearing, I'll make a recommendation that'll become a court order. Sir, you have the right to have a lawyer. If you wish, you could hire one, or I could appoint one for you. Or you could proceed without and represent yourself. Do you know what you'd like to do?
Just proceed without is fine.
All right, Ms. Heaven is here from friend of the court. Ms. Heaven, do you have an update in the matter?
I do. Mr. Summer has a monthly obligation of $137 child support, $17 medical support for a total of $154 a month. He currently owes the plaintiff $9,153.08. The state $1,975.02. Fees $486.50, total owing $11,614.60. Last payment received was $274.25, June 3rd, 2021. $308.44, May 19th, 2021. And $274.25 again on May 6th, 2021. He does have prior contempts. This is a fail to comply issued January 20th, 2016. It's 90 days or a $2,500 cash bond, and he was lodged in our jail 4/10/23. He did return a personal information sheet. He indicates he is homeless, and his monthly income is $321 from veterans compensation.
All right. And sir, do you agree that you owe the amount stated?
I guess. I haven't paid, so I would imagine I do.
All right. I mean, this warrant was issued. You were ordered to appear back in November of 2015 for a show cause. You didn't show up. That's what led to the warrant a couple months later because you were making payments. Is there a reason you haven't been making payments over the last several years?
I was assuming that my veterans compensation was making the payments. That I'm a disabled veteran. It's my income. So I thought that they were sending payments.
We can't withhold from veterans pay.
That's why I thought they were sending a payment separate. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, you know, income withholding can be sent to employers and to Social Security, but there are some like SSI won't withhold. Veterans disability or veterans compensation payments can be withheld, things like that. It's up to you to make those payments. You would have been given notifications many times over the years that you had hearings or a bench warrant or things like that. It appears you just ignored it.
I have given the information I'm disabled, I cannot work, and this is my income.
Right, but it's your responsibility to make payments out of that income.
You tried to live off $321 a month.
Bond's $2,500.
I'm already homeless and hungry.
Bond's $2,500. You don't have that or anything that you can pay at this time?
I'm broke.
Where's your money go every month that you get?
It went to car insurance. I haven't been able to pay that in a couple of months because I've been trying to live in a house instead of the woods.
Now, are you not able to work at this time?
I had just stated that a minute ago. Yes, I am not able to work. I am disabled
You applied for social security disability as well?
multiple times.
What happened with that?
Just like everybody else, they deny it the first few times and I'm still in the process.
So you have hearings pending right now or what?
I'm not sure. I think I am at the point where I have to reapply again.
Have you had a lawyer help you with that?
I need one.
Ma'am, anything you wanted to say?
I didn't know that he was homeless and stuff. I mean, I would appreciate anything would help, but I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else the courts can do to help with the support.
So, sir, the total benefit or your total income right now is $321 a month. You have no other income from any other source?
No other income. Well, I mean, I get food stamps, but that's not an income either.
You have nothing to post toward the bond at this point?
I have nothing.
How long have you known you had a warrant? You had a warrant for 7 years.
Honestly, I didn't know that I had a warrant from here. I knew I had one from Kent County, but not here. I imagined, I mean, I figured I did, but
What's going on in
I
Kent
don't.
County?
What's that?
What's going on in Kent County?
Something that should have been dropped a long time ago. My daughter's 25 with 4 children. I mean, and that's for back support down there, which I was told was dropped by her mother when she was in prison. But that's a separate case from this one.
So have you already addressed that warrant or not?
No, they brought me here first. I had saved a little girl's life yesterday, and me and my present girlfriend were both arrested for warrants afterwards. I had saved a 13-year-old girl from drowning, and this is what became of it.
Well, I mean, Ms. Bordeaux, the bulk of the money is owed to you. You're owed $9,000. Do you think Mr. Summer ought to do some jail time or what?
I just don't know what good that would be. I don't know how that would help, I guess.
Well,
I mean, I as a parent am very upset that I've been having to take care of our child for 17 years plus with barely any help. So, I mean, I'm upset, but what can I do? If he doesn't pay, he doesn't pay. There's not really much that I can do. I've been praying that he would get like, disability or SSI or, the veterans. I didn't realize how low the veterans benefits were.
I've been trying to get that raised as well. I'm at 20% right now.
so if you're only receiving 20% disability from the VA, that would lead me to believe that you're able to work because they didn't give you 100%. If you're able to work, you need to be out there looking for a job so you can make enough income to get by, including paying your obligations.
I'm still in the process of getting that raised. It took me a long time just to get to 20%. I'm waiting for them to schedule my appointment with their doctors in Ann Arbor or wherever it is.
Well, at this point, sir, you've had the ability to make payments. You failed to do so. The sentence has been imposed 90 days, 2,500. I'll reduce that to 45 days and reduce the bond to 500. You can post $500, you can be released. Otherwise, you'll do the 45 days. Then go address your obligations in Kent County. I'm the referee, not the judge. You do have the right to object to my recommendation if you wish and have a hearing with the judge, or you could accept it. You know what you'd like to do?
I'm good with whatever's decided here today.
All right, I'll have Ms. Evans send an acceptance form over. You'll have to sign and return, but other than that, you should be.